Your dishwasher is secretly the most underused appliance in your kitchen, and I discovered this by accident last week. I was running late for work and threw my dirty makeup brushes into the top rack alongside my dishes. When I opened it later, those brushes were spotless. Turns out your dishwasher can clean way more than plates. I now wash my keyboard keys, phone cases, even my kids' Legos in there. The hot water and steam sanitize everything while you literally do nothing else. Just make sure to skip the heated dry cycle for plastic items. Last night, I cleaned my entire junk drawer contents this way. My friends think I'm crazy, but my house has never been cleaner with zero extra effort.